What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm for real. It's your girl Chris. Now I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm busy. I'm back, y'all. I am coming in and checking in with you guys really quickly to give you the details on this hair as promised. And I took a little poll so people can kind of guess what kind of hair this is. Some people thought it was a lace front, some people thought it was a sew-in, some people thought it was crochet. Well, I'm here to spill it. This is all 100% crocheted in hair. And so I want to share with you guys the hair that I use to achieve this look. It's not human hair, it's actually synthetic. And this is the Freetress brand. And this is it right here. Bam! Like, it has the ombre. I saw this in the store and was like, ooh, I can do this with this. Like, I just had this vision. So, yeah, it is called, I don't know if you can see that name, but yes, I love the hair so far. So I want to give you guys like a quick 2-minute rundown. I did crochet all of the hair in, and I did the pattern where it's like, it's braided straight back or into like where I want the part to go. It's braided straight back about halfway, and in the back I have like this kind of design going on. But the next time I do it, I am going to change that up, and I'm probably just going to do a normal pattern that I would use to sew in and kind of do the U shape and then work my way in that way, because I think it'll just be a little bit like, I love how it looks, but on my scalp, I don't know if I love how it feels. You know, some pieces that are a bit bulky for me, but with this hair being curly, you can't really tell. I mean, it is what it is. Anyway, so let's get into this part. So I have 2 little braids that are going really close to each other, going straight back here. And when you get close up, yeah, you can see that it's kind of crocheted in, but it looks way better than when you have the crochet and you just see those loops. You know, I was trying to avoid the loops. Yeah, so I've been rocking this hair, y'all. I love the look of it, the shape of it. It actually feels really nice. It's flowy. And so my maintenance at night, all I do is I take part it down the middle like it is kind of right now, and I do 2 big chunky twists. So I just take it and twist like that. And once it's all the way twisted down, I take my do-rag that has the little pocket situation on it. I don't know if I have it over here. Okay, don't talk about me. My do-rag is a little ratchet. Okay, I have a ponytail holder at the end of it because it's a big old hole. All right, this is my do-rag. Okay, this is where your hair goes in, and then the back, it's a little pocket situation. So it has this where it kind of hangs, and I just stick the hair in there and I tie it, and then boom, I get up in the morning and I'm good to go. Take my little twist down, give it a little fluff, and like easy like Sunday morning. Like, come on now, doesn't get much better than that. So this is like my protective style that I've been rocking for the first part of the summer, and I actually think that I like this hair so much that I'm going to continue using this style for a little bit. The hair was $5.99 a pack, and I used 3.5 packs for this style here. So yes, if you like this hair and you want to get into this hair and you was like, oh girl, what kind of hair is she wearing? There you go. This is the Freetress, and I am wearing the color OT30, which is this packet here. See, it's this color. I don't know if you can see it in this packet. In this packet, it's a little bit lighter. It's more of a blonde. I was going to use this to like highlight and put some around the front, but I'll do that next time. I was just experimenting. So anyway, this is one of my experiments that went really well, and I want to share with you guys. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for still rocking with me. I am on my summer break, so I plan on uploading a lot more videos. I was kind of wanting to know what you guys thought about a little bit of vlogging. Well, anyway, I'll talk about that in another video. Until next time, guys, peace. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? hit the subscribe button. For real, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and that way you will not miss any of my uploads. You'll get that little notification. And yeah, so until next time, peace. All right, gotta warm up for the camera. Look at that jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I think you're ready for, ooh. Okay, anyway, whoa. All right. Love 80.